Did you know 90% of drivers have no idea that a basic reset can solve so many frustrating problems? That's right, but here is the twist. A simple action, something you can do in under 5 minutes, with no tools and $0, could reset your car's electronics and fix weird engine behavior. In this video, I'm revealing 7 proven methods to reset your car system in free. These resets could save you time, money, and a trip to the mechanic. Stick until the end because the last method could alone save you thousands in repairs. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss what reset actually does. A car system reset is like restarting your computer or smartphone. It clears temporary memory, recalibrates sensors, and wipes out stored error data in your car's electronic control systems. Modern cars have dozens of electronic modules and control units, like the ECU, TCM, BCM, and these can develop glitches, stuck sensors, or false warnings over time. A reset refreshes your car's brain, clears out digital clutter, and helps systems relearn how to function properly. Method number 1, battery disconnect. Reset battery disconnection is the oldest and most basic method to reset your car's systems. This is especially helpful if your car is running rough or behaving oddly after a repair. To reset your car using battery connection method, follow these steps. Step 1. Park the vehicle on a flat surface and turn off the ignition. Step 2. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and leave it off for 15 to 30 minutes. Step 3. Press the horn or brake pedal while the battery is disconnected to drain residual power from the electrical system. This method clears volatile memory in the ECU, forcing the system to reset when power is restored. Step 4. After waiting, reconnect the positive battery terminal first and then connect the negative terminal. Step 5. After reconnecting the terminals, turn the ignition key to the on position and run the engine. In this way, your ECU begins to relearn engine settings, such as fuel trims and idle speeds, based on real-time sensor input. However, this method may also erase settings like your radio presets, clock, and power seat memory. Method number 2, OBD2 scanner reset. If you want the most precise reset with full control, this one's for you. An OBD2 scanner connects directly to your car's onboard computer. It lets you read fault codes, clear them, and even reset specific systems like ABS or the transmission control module. For this method, follow these steps. Step 1. Turn off the ignition key. Step 2. Locate your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the steering column, and plug in the scanner. Step 3. Turn the ignition to on position, but the engine should stay off. Step 4. Follow the scanner menu and select the option like Read Codes or Diagnostic Trouble Codes. Step 5. After fixing the problem, you can select Clear Codes or Erase DTCs. This will turn off the check engine light. This method is great if your check engine light is on, but the car drives fine. It might just be a stored code. And unlike disconnecting the battery, it won't wipe out all your personal settings. Method number 3, fuse box reset. Sometimes you don't want to reset the entire car, just a specific system like the infotainment, windows, or backup camera. That's where pulling the fuse comes in. First, locate your car's fuse box, which could be under the dash or in the engine bay. Use your manual or the fuse diagram to find the fuse for the system you want to reset. Gently pull the fuse out and wait around 10 to 15 minutes. This cuts power to just that module, forcing it to reset without interfering with radio settings, alarm systems, or infotainment memory. Once reinserted, the module restarts fresh and may clear lingering bugs or electrical faults. It's a more refined option compared to disconnecting the whole battery. Bonus tip: be cautious not to pull the wrong fuse, as this could disable essential functions like lighting or transmission control. Method number 4, perform a throttle body reset. A throttle body reset is necessary when your engine is idling rough, hesitating, or stalling after cleaning or replacing the electronic throttle body. Most modern cars no longer use mechanical cables to control the throttle. Instead, they rely on electronic signals between the ECU and the throttle plate. After cleaning the throttle body, the system can lose its calibration. That's where a throttle body reset comes in. To do it, follow these steps. Step 1. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine and wait for about 10 seconds without touching the gas pedal. Step 2. Slowly depress the accelerator all the way down. This process should take about 3 seconds. Hold the accelerator there for a few seconds. Step 3. Now slowly release the accelerator. This process should also take 3 to 4 seconds. Step 4. Repeat the previous steps 2 or 3 times. Step 5. Start the engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. During this time, the ECU will recalibrate itself based on the clean throttle plate position. Now take your car for a test drive. Doing this reset properly restores smooth idle and responsive throttle input, improving both drivability and fuel economy. Method number 5, check your fuel cap. Believe it or not, but a loose or faulty fuel cap is actually one of the most common reasons for the dreaded check engine light, especially in modern cars. Your car's fuel system is sealed and pressurized to control evaporative emissions. If the fuel cap isn't tightened properly, or if the rubber seal is damaged, the ECU detects a pressure leak and throws an error code such as P0440, P0455, or P0456. To fix it, first turn off the engine, open your fuel door, unscrew the gas cap, and then screw it back on until you hear at least 3 clicks. That sound means it's properly sealed. Then start your car and drive normally for a day or 2. In most cases, the check engine light will turn off by itself once the system confirms the problem is gone. If it doesn't, inspect the cap for cracks or hardened seals. It might need to be replaced. Method number 6. Factory reset from vehicle settings. Modern vehicles often include a built-in factory reset option in the settings menu, usually under General or System. This method is software-based and doesn't affect the mechanical systems, but will erase all user settings, including seat position memory, paired devices, and navigation history. Follow these steps for factory reset method. Step 1. Go to the settings menu on your car's touchscreen. Step 2. Look under System, General, or Reset and select Restore to Factory Settings. Step 3. Confirm the reset and let the system reboot. This clears all personal settings, Bluetooth pairings, and saved preferences. Unlike a battery or ECU reset, this reset only targets personalization and convenience settings. It's a safe and clean way to restore the software experience without popping hoods or pulling fuses. Method number 7. Drive cycle reset. A drive cycle is not a reset in the traditional sense, but rather a relearning process used by the ECU after repairs or resets. After disconnecting the battery or clearing codes with a scanner, the ECU starts fresh but needs real-world data to rebuild its internal parameters. A proper drive cycle involves a mix of idling, city driving, highway cruising, and light acceleration. This can take 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the car. It helps the ECU relearn engine timing, fuel trims, and transmission behavior. Without a proper drive cycle, you may notice rough idling, hesitation, or failed emissions tests. This process is especially critical after replacing components like NMAF sensor, O2 sensor, or throttle bodies. So there you have it, 7 powerful methods to reset your car's system without needing a mechanic. Whether it's a glitchy dash or a stubborn warning light, now you've got the tools to reboot your ride the right way. Let me know in the comments, which method have you tried before and which one surprised you the most? See you in the next video.